The omelette is always tasty, but this one will be even more. Shall we bet? I slice the onions into thin slices. I peel the potatoes and cut them into chunks. I take a non-stick pan with a generous drizzle of oil and put in the onions. I'll make you go for about 5 minutes. I add them to the onion and let them brown for a few minutes over medium heat without ever exceeding to avoid burning the onion. Then I cover and let it cook for about 20 minutes. I break the eggs, add salt, pepper, thyme, Parmesan cheese, and give it a good mix. During this time though, don't forget them. Stir often, ensure softness and good browning. I fry it in a pan and cook for 10 minutes, utilizing a spatula as necessary to round the shape well. It is the right time to flip the omelette by sliding it onto a plate and then flipping it back into the pan. Just 2 additional minutes without a lid and the omelette is prepared. Wager 1! Hello?